So here we are going to demonstrate about Bluetooth controlled bloat cleaning system. The major components of our project are board, and there is an permanent magnet DC motors on the top, on the bottom, so which helps to move the motor forward and backward by using this motor. And to clean the board which is connected to the duster is done with the help of this permanent magnet DC motor with the help of slider crank mechanism, where this is going to move in the circular motion and duster will be moving in the to and fro motion. And whereas here you can see there is an wheel which will be moving on the platform. So there is the end point, with the help of bolt it gets stopped, and there is another end point where it gets stopped. And there is an electronic circuit board over here which consists of an Arduino Uno, regulated power supply section, 12 volt 7 amp lead acid battery, HC05 Bluetooth module, single channel relay and two channel relay. Whereas single channel relay is used to turn on the system, and whereas two channel relay is used to move the motor forward and backward. So let us see the demonstration. Before that, these are the characters which you have to send: forward, backward, U for on, D for off. So there is an Bluetooth terminal app which is used to connect. Before that, you have to go to the Bluetooth settings and connect to this H05 module in the settings, and then you have to go to the app. Okay, then you have to use this Bluetooth terminal app, and when you connect this, so we have cleared the data, previous data. And now when you are going to send the character capital, sorry, small u, here you can see when you send the character, the pump is on, so it starts to rotate. At that point only it can move forward, so at certain delay it gets off. And when you send the character D, it gets off. So now if you send the character F, it doesn't move. So whereas the relay gets on and off, but else here there will be a no action. So you have to take care, you have to turn the pump on, and then you have to send the character. So now let us see the backward direction. So again you can move. So you can increase the decrease the speed of the motion of the duster. So there is an PWM pot. So when you increase the speed, or you can, if you rotate the speed, you have to vary the knob. So let us see the speed. Now I am sending the character here. So now you can see the speed has been increased. Okay, now if you press the B, the speed has increased. So that can be varied with the help of that potentiometer, and increase the speed of the cleaner. Thank you. And there is an adapter pin over here. If you disconnect it, it gets off. Thank you.